BJP-led NDA government is moving forward with its plan to implement a one nation, one election policy during its current tenure. The proposal, which is a key part of the party's manifesto for the Lok Sabha elections, aims to synchronize elections for the Lok Sabha, state assemblies and local bodies, significantly reducing election-related expenses and administrative challenges. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, in his Independence Day speech, reiterated the importance of these reform, urging political parties to come together for the nation's progress. A high-level panel chaired by former President Ram Nath Kovind submitted its recommendations in March, advocating for simultaneous elections as a first step, followed by synchronizing local body polls within 100 days. The government remains confident that the reform will receive support across party lines as it seeks to maintain cohesion within the ruling alliance and focus on long-term governance stability. While the proposal is expected to face political and logistical challenges, its implementation could bring significant changes to India's electoral landscape, potentially reshaping how elections are conducted across the country.